Do you know what 5 times 3 is? 15. Let's use this chart to find the answers of the 3 times table. Pink is for the tens and dark blue is for the ones. First we write the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And write at the end 0. Then we added the tens. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and at the end 3. And now comes the trick. When we read the pink number and the dark blue numbers together, we get all the answers. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. So this is a fun math trick. Math really can be fun. Great job! Now you have seen patterns and learned some tricks. In the next video, we will solve a few exercises together. Join us in the next videos.